Hi, I am Selva, your Singapore course tutor. This week I am going to talk to you how to make videos and make 100 people in next 30 days. So please carefully watch this video, and at the end of it just click the link below to get instant access. There are several types of videos. In the course I am explaining everything. Please learn the trick and make difference in your business. Your title should be keyword rich and SEO optimized. You can do videos nowadays in hand mobile phone, but the sound quality should be better, so buy a clip-on Mac. Write an attention-grabbing headline. Do SEO to optimize your video to search engine optimization. Tell them only few people know the solution to your problem, and it's only available for few days. Aggravate the problem and say that you are having a problem, a solution to their problem. Finally, tell them what they're supposed to do. Just click the link below to get instant access. And don't forget to add credential, that means referral and testimonials. I am including editing software also with this course, and you will get video capturing software. From start to finish, you will get all you need with step-by-step instruction. Therefore, click the link below to get the instant access. Thank you.